Welcome to Braze Education Academy. In today's video we'll see the Hindu editorial summary of Sedition, illogical equation of government with state. The Law Commission of India has recommended retaining Section 124A of the Indian Penal Code, which deals with the offence of sedition, and has suggested enhanced punishment for this offence in the name of national security. Section 124A was originally introduced during the British colonial era to suppress the voices of dissent against the British Raj. Sedition is an offence against the government, not against the country itself. It involves bringing hatred, contempt, or disaffection towards the government established by law through spoken or written words, signs, or other means. The interpretation of sedition has varied over time. One interpretation defines sedition as causing disaffection or political hatred towards the government, while another interpretation restricts it to incitement to violence or disorder. The constitutionality of sedition was upheld by the Supreme Court of India in the Kedarnath vs. State of Bihar case in 1962. The court held that sedition is constitutionally valid because it is an offence against the state and falls within the reasonable restrictions on the freedom of speech and expression under Article 19(2) of the Constitution. However, sedition, as defined in Section 124A, infringes on the fundamental right to freedom of speech and expression guaranteed under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution. The Law Commission's recommendation to incorporate the tendency to incite disorder in Section 124A does not address the fundamental flaws of the law. It gives police the authority to determine what constitutes a tendency to incite disorder, resulting in the potential imprisonment of citizens for expressing their views. The Kedarnath judgment did not soften the law on sedition, but brought it closer to the harsh interpretation of sedition in the Tilak case. The recommendation for increased punishment for sedition ignores the widespread demand for the scrapping of this law. The real issue is that Section 124A of the IPC is unconstitutional. The equating of government with the state in the Kedarnath judgment is illogical in a democratic republic. And the attempt to justify sedition as a reasonable restriction on freedom of speech is constitutionally impermissible. Thank you for watching this video. We wish this will be helpful for you. Like, share and subscribe to our channel.